Hi, my name is Mario Paniccia. I'm the CEO and co-founder of a company called Anello Photonics. We're located out in Silicon Valley. And what we've done is we've created the world's smallest optical gyro, which we call SiPhog. Silicon Photonics Optical Gyro. Fits in the palm of your hand. It's basically the same concept as a fiber gyro, but based on integrated silicon photonics. So we've taken the concept of discrete components. This is something like here. This is a 3D print of a fiber optic gyro that today is the state of the art. Big, bulky, expensive, but it works really good. You have other gyros in your phone that are MEMS based. We've created the same concept of the performance of a fiber gyro, but at an integrated chip solution. So this is small form factor, fits in the palm of your hand, yet high precision. Not susceptible to temperature, not susceptible to vibration, not susceptible to EMI. Why is it useful? So now you have a gyro. Gyro measures rotation. I put that into a system. And this is a system for land vehicles. So I have one optical gyro for heading, and the land vehicles, the heading is the key. 2 GPS chips. This is a sealed unit, salt spray. We're shipping this into construction and agriculture companies. So if I'm driving and I lose GPS, what do? We have a high precision gyro. You can rely on the gyro. If the signal starts going down, we have an algorithm that says rely more on the gyro. Weight that algorithm. If I completely lose GPS, it's 100% the gyro. The other thing we can do is spoofing. If I'm driving and I look like I have GPS, but I check what does GPS say relative to my system says I went 100 meters forward, GPS says I'm in Texas, hey, something's wrong, rely on the gyro. To give you a sense of performance, we're doing like 100 kilometers of driving continuously, no GPS, less than 100 meter error. So this is our GNSS. If I get rid of the GPS, this is, we call it an IMU Plus. This is for indoor robots, things that drive in navigation. Same thing, it's a hardened unit. We're shipping this into construction companies, robots that print on the ground. To the state of the art, look what we've done. This is the same performance, fifth the size, fifth the weight, fourth the power. More importantly, small, lightweight. And what do? Now you can put this on a drone because of the size. And the way drones fly, everything relies on GPS. So drone flies, what happens? It loses GPS, it doesn't know what to do.